Hey everybody, I'm just going to videotape this in case you guys have ever run into this problem. Um, so I turn on my DJI and everything is fine there. The camera goes through its function, and then I turn on my controller and I get this with a red flashing light. So what do I need to do? Most likely it's because I need to do an update. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to do the update. But I'm going to turn this off again and move forward from there. So I'm going to, I think I need to connect my cable. This is going to be a bad video, people. So I need to connect my cable from my controller to my drone. And so I'm going to do that right now. Please excuse the horrible video. So let's see. I'm doing all this in the dark. Where is the controller button? It's supposed to be here somewhere. Dun 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 dun. I used to know where this was at. Now I all of a sudden can't find it. Let's see. Let me look. Let me look. So I have a DJI Phantom 3. It's 4K, and so I'm just gonna do the plug in the back right here. It's in the back of the controller. It's the smaller size on this one, and the larger USB is on the other side. I believe that goes to either I'm gonna have to set that up on my computer, or I'm gonna set that up on the DJI itself. Let me look. So I plugged it into my computer, and it's setting it up right now. So even though the red light's still on, it's still setting up the controller. That's what it just said to me. So I'm waiting for the setup. So let's see. That's my DJI app, but I have it plugged in another computer, which is hooked up to, I hope that's gonna work. I hope that's working. I hope that's setting up. It's not, at least it's not like beeping so loudly. A message did come up on my computer saying that it was updating. I didn't get a copy of that, but it did flash up. Let's see if I can find it. If I can find my message. It should be under, let's see. I'm not going to update that right quick. Let's see. Dun, 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 affiliate. Maybe it was just a quick message. Fantastic. There's an operator. I can't see it. Alright. I'm going to stop this for a second and still look. Okay everybody, it just went to green, so I guess the update's completed. I had turned on my DJI and it was just beeping red, and I got out my cable and I just hooked it up to my computer. I thought I could set it up Wi-Fi, you know, I thought I could download it Wi-Fi, but I guess it wanted a hard line or the USB cable route, and so both the DJI itself and the controller are upgraded, and it's in green, so good for me. Alright, have a good day. Okay, I guess I might have not done it right. So I got the red. There's the green again. I guess I didn't let the update complete. Even though that's green on here, it's still showing red on the drone itself. So I guess that has to go green when it's finished. So this will go green, and then you also have to have that one go green on the drone, on the equipment, as it says on the screen. That's still red. So I'm still waiting. Okay, I'm back. Everything's set. So the update occurred, and I turned off the drone and the controller and turned it back on again, reset my Wi-Fi, and then everything came up green. So I believe my upgrade is complete. Also too, hey everybody, also too, you want to check to find out that you have the latest firmware on your overall status. Just verify that you have it. If you want to recalibrate it, go ahead and recalibrate it. I have a bad signal right now because I'm next to some wires, but that's typical for where I'm at right now. So that's actually fine. So just make sure that you get that where it says the latest firmware.